Electronic City is an amazing choice if you are young and new to Bangalore. Every MNC and startup is here and you're always connected to the city. So it doesn't really matter if you're a professional who really enjoys their privacy or if you're just young and love staying with your friends and partying every weekend. Electronic City is perfect for young couples of this generation. So if you're looking for fully furnished accommodation with daily meals delivered at home, you should totally come and be an Electronic City Eagle at Colive.